Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Andres Intriago. I am a student of electrical engineering from SPOL University. I am from Guayaquil, Ecuador, and I'm going to show you a method which helps you to plot a graph that you have in Simulink and you want to plot it in Matlab. Okay, this is a circuit which is a chopper class A. This chopper class A works in the first quadrant where voltage and current are positive, and so we have these four signals as you can see here. Okay, these measurements. Okay, and I want to see it only in one scope, so I'm using this MOOCs. This MOOCs helps me to pass from several inputs to just one output. Okay. And then I use this block to workspace. This to workspace helps me to send the data that I'm having here and send it into the workspace in Matlab, okay? So this is here, as if you don't know, this is the MOOCs, as you can see over here. And this is the to workspace. Okay. Important thing here. First, I noticed that I had this CMOUT dot the name of the variable, which was really ugly to work. I didn't like it. So I didn't know how to fix it, but I found this option, right? And if this is your problem, you can go over here. You go to model settings and you just only check the ones that you're watching over here, okay? Fine. Now, in the to workspace, you need to choose the option time series. This time series is going to help you to separate the time and the data. And it's going to be more easy to obtain the values, okay? Now, before I'm going to run the simulation, I want to show you the code. Basically, we have here the column, okay? And this column, basically, I'm obtaining thanks to this command values, which is the name of the workspace, and dot data. Okay, dot data is really important to write it. Okay, because it means that you are obtaining the data from the variable values. And here, I'm using or extracting all the rows, but for the first column. So here you go. All the rows, but to the second column, okay, and go on. Now I use plot in order to plot my graph, okay. This values.time is the time where the data is happening, okay. Column 1, which is the data of each signal. This is the color of the line, the type of the line, and 3 is the thickness of the line, okay. Then I use hold on in order to help me to plot the other graphs in one figure, okay? And then I use hold off, okay? Basically, this is no problem at all. Then I used to choose the name of the axis, the x-axis and the y-axis, as you can see over here, time and this one over here, okay? So yeah, and here you have several parameters, okay, if you want the type of letter, the height of the letter, okay. Then I set the limits of the axis, okay, from 0 to 0.01 and 0 to 120. And then I use legend. This legend is going to help me to identify the graph that I'm having in order to not get lost, okay. And I use over here font size times New Roman, okay. And then I use save values in order to save the value in case I wanted to have it and use it in other time, okay. So I'm gonna run this simulation, okay. Let me go over here. So it's running, and if you go over here, you see all the signals in one figure or in one plot, okay. This is there are 4 signals here, okay, and you're gonna see this in Matlab. So if I go over here, this means that I have already all the data. I have it in the workspace, and this is gonna help me to plot the graphs, okay. And as you can see here, you have the figure plotted in Matlab. So thank you for watching the video. I would like to do more videos like this. Take care. Bye-bye.